Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you an iPhone trick. So today I'm going to show you how to delete all tabs at once. You know how you sometimes open too many tabs and then get confused and you just want to get rid of everything at once. So here's how to do it. So on the bottom right tab there, so you see that these are the tabs that I have, and I want to erase everything. So tap until they show up, and then you can press on close all 16 tabs. So after you press there, are you sure you want to close all open tabs? You tap close, and then that's it. So I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.